Meaning of influential.
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 Influential. The term influential refers to a person, group, idea, or action that has the power to affect or change people's opinions, beliefs, behaviors, or actions. It refers to a significant impact on society in general or a specific group or individual. An influential person or idea can inspire and motivate others, catalyze social or political movements, or shape culture, art, or science. In short, influential things have the potential to make a profound difference in the world, leaving a lasting legacy for generations to come.